Nominated for Vehicle Safety Technology category at the Roads Awards 2025. Innovation isn't something we say, it's something we build. At Hyundai, it starts with the SmartSense, a suite of intelligent safety technologies engineered to protect what matters. Forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection. All seamlessly connected, all quietly watching, so you can drive with unwavering confidence. But behind every smart system is uncompromising strength. Hyundai is one of the few automakers that manufactures its own steel, because control over quality starts at the core. In our advanced foundries, recycled scrap becomes ultra-high-strength steel, forged to withstand extreme forces, designed for maximum rigidity. It's the unseen layer of protection beneath every Hyundai. Vote for Hyundai in the Vehicle Safety Technology category. Let's celebrate innovations that keeps us all safer on the roads.
Budget Direct Insurance gives you quality, comprehensive car insurance and lower prices.